Hey, watching on man, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click that notification bell and turn on all notifications so you will be notified whenever we drop fresh new content. So watching on viewers and subscribers, Westmoreland are running like the Wild Wild West right now, you know what I mean, as Ctoc intercepted a vehicle or two vehicles where 5 men were shot and 4 succumbed to injuries. Jano, it's serious, no joke no United. See me a laugh. 5 gunmen were reportedly shot and 4 fatally, and 6 guns seized during a shootout with the police in the resort town of Negril in Jamaica on Friday. Reports are that the men were attempting to rob a vehicle being used to transport money when they were intercepted by the police. According to the Jamaica Observer, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz said the suspected robbers who were shot are believed to be a part of a criminal organization that has been targeting Beryllium Limited, a company which provides cash in transit services for banks and other major businesses. Beryllium has been a target of several armed robberies, with predators making off with millions of dollars and several security guards shot. Bailey said, there have been several attacks on the Beryllium company and the courier company. One recall 11 months ago we had a major incident in Mandeville where a significant amount of money was stolen and persons were shot and injured. It's a continuation of those investigations. It's basically the same criminal network that have been involved. I'd like to highlight the fact that what we find is a number of criminals from different organizations have been actually come together in the effort, Bailey explained. 4 of the 5 suspected robbers were taken out during an alleged confrontation with the members of the Courier Terrorism and Organization Crime Investigation Branch, Ctoc, of Jamaica Constabulary Force in Negril Square, Westmoreland. The deceased have not yet been identified.
Carry the vehicle in the water over there.
Want carry in the water?
Yeah, man, the boat and reverse over there, man, in the water, man. So you want to fire shot in the water.
The operation in Westmoreland. Constabulary Force conducted a deliberate and well-coordinated operation in Westmoreland aimed at disrupting and apprehending members of a criminal network planning to execute a major heist. This operation was part of our ongoing efforts to deter the activities of criminal organizations and ensure the safety and security of our citizens. During the operation, our officers intercepted multiple vehicles associated with the criminal network. Unfortunately, the suspects chose to engage the police, resulting in a gunfight. As a result, 5 gunmen were shot, 4 died, and 1 is currently being treated after being rushed to the hospital by the police. 6 weapons were seized, including 3 high-powered rifles. We are grateful to report that none of our police officers were harmed during the incident. This operation underscores our commitment to combating criminal activities and dismantling criminal networks. We want to send a clear message to all criminal elements that their actions will not be tolerated, and the JCF will take decisive measures to protect the public and uphold the rule of law. The incident is being investigated by IPROB and INDICOM, and we will provide further details as the investigation progresses. We continue to urge individuals to peacefully surrender and cooperate with the police. Confronting highly trained police officers poses significant risks and can lead to lethal consequences. We encourage anyone with information to come forward and share what you know. I take this opportunity to remind persons that harboring criminals is an offense. Your cooperation is vital in our collective effort to maintain a safe and secure Jamaica. The JCFI Command remains steadfast in its mission to deter and dismantle criminal organizations, ensuring that law and order prevail across our nation. At this time, I'll invite Deputy Commissioner Fitz to give a little bit more detail on this operation and this incident this morning. So Bailey?
I just love to point out that the incident
is as a result of an ongoing investigation that started as far back as February 2023. Out of the investigation, we have arrested 8 persons. They are before the courts. And during this morning operation, the weapons seized included 2 M16 rifles, 1 AK-47, 1 Glock pistol, another 9mm pistol, and a .38 pistol. We continue our investigation because we intend to dismantle this criminal network that has been operating right across Jamaica. We know who they are, and we will not stop until every one of them is brought to justice. Well, there have been several attacks on Beryllium Company, the courier company. One can recall in 11 months ago, we had a major incident in Mandeville where
Yes, man, people. So, let's see what go on. You see me, I say, Ctoc said them been doing them investigation. You see me, I say that's how them get to intercept the robbers and shoot out go on. You see me, I say 4 out of the 5 man them are now deceased. You get to me, I say people. So, you know, them been watching and saying, basically, I just the same set of man them. Is what me I say, and you know, from them say Beryllium, them I say, yo, easy food. You see me? Because them never used to roll up and, you know, the armored vehicle, them archive them used to have, and you know, them big vehicle. Since the Beryllium come in, the man them just get brave. Around serious piece of hungry time. You see me I say, we don't know what go on, all we know say, man start take on, you know what I mean? The money chuck them, I get a piece of food. Yeah, that's basically that way I say, brother. You see me I say, when them see the Beryllium, them start lick them finger and say food. You see me I say, easy food, KFC. You see me I say, have it your way. Burger King, nobody does it better. You see me? And from the man them see the food, them I go for the food. And just so it go. You see me I say, set away people, but you don't know. Everybody choose them part. Everybody have them life to live. Some people choose the road there, some people choose the next road. You see me? So if a man says him can go and get 20, 30 million, I'm not gonna try after that. Is what me I say. And just so it's set up at the end of the day. Yes, man. So, I want to comment down below and tell me what you think. As I say, what you think about the situation. 6 gun seized, 5 man and 6 gun. Yes, sir. If you show you the man, they're well prepared. You see me? Yes, man. So, right now, I want to say that I for now. Thanks for all who watch until the end of the video. You see me? I say, like always, is a like, subscribe, share. You know what I mean? Tell a friend to join the gang. Fam, I'm out. Watch out now.